Now we will learn the implicit and explicit typecasting. Implicit typecasting are those typecasting in which our data type is automatically converted into another data type during assignment. And explicit data type casting are those casting in which we forcefully convert the one data type into another data type. Let's see in this program. Int a, float b, clear screen, a is assigned to 10 and b is assigned to 10.5. When b is assigned a, what happens? Printf b is equal to %d comma b. Let's check one error, unexpected event of file line 2. Oh, the comment is not closed. B is equal to 0. B is assigned, B is float, and we have a specified %d. That's why the value is converted into the 0. Here B is converted, A is converted into B. B is floating with 60 after decimal. And when we want to explicitly convert floating value to integer, then what we need to do is integer integer b is assigned to int b. We need to take another variable because we have already declared b as float. That's why. Now we can print comma c. Let's check. We write c is equal to for better representation. Again, one error. Declaration is not allowed here, as we have declared it. Again, c is equal to 10. So here float is again converted into floating variable is b, and this b is again converted into the variable c. C is the integer type, and when we print C, then we get the results. To get in the new line, we just write new line character C is equal to 10. So that's it to implicit and explicit typecasting.